Caden, please. Caden. Okay, Xander. Show mommy, where is the baby? Where is the baby? Can you point to the baby? Do you see the baby? Where's the baby? Very good job. Where is the dog? Where is the dog? Can you find the dog that says woof woof? Dog. Very good job. Where is the ball? Where is the ball? Where's the ball, Xander? Ball. Baby. Where is the ball? Very good job. Good job, Xander.